Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at some basic SMS functionalities that sort of like provides a template you can use to send specific SMS messages to your customers. Now the various functionalities are displayed on this page, as you can see here. Okay, these are the SMS functionalities, okay, that are available for you to use. Okay, but in this video, we will be focusing specifically on customer in debt payment deposit SMS into bracket automatic. So let's click on that and see what that is all about. Okay, so when we scroll down, okay, when you click on this, okay, this is what appears for us. So let's read it. It says that anytime you record a new payment deposit for a customer in debt, an automated SMS is sent to the customer about the deposit recorded. This helps your customer to track their payments made and can help avoid disputes. Once the payment is made in full, Sumundi Keepsales will automatically send an after-sale thank you SMS to your customer on your behalf. Okay, so basically what this means is that on Keepsales, okay, there's what we call the new transaction feature. Okay, there's a whole video on how to sell on Keepsales. Now you can actually sell to your customers on credit. Okay, so once you sell to your customers on credit, okay, it gets that information is saved at a feature we call customers in debt. Okay, now over there, and I'll take us there very soon. Okay, you are able to check how much the customer owes you and then update payments as and when it is done. Okay, so for this particular feature, which is the customer in debt payment deposit SMS functionality, okay, what it means is that anytime your customer makes payment, okay, makes a deposit, and you actually update that on this software, okay, a message is sent to your customer that this is the amount that they have made deposit of. Okay, so if you want to do that, you activate this. Okay, and then once you've activated, you click on save changes. Okay, and it tells you that this particular functionality has been saved. So you click on done, and like I was talking about, you go to the main menu. Okay, we have the whole video on customers and loyalty, especially on customers in debt, so do well to check all that video out. Okay, so it brings us here. Now over here you can see that this is the list, okay, of customers, okay, who owe us. Okay, so over here you're able to see the names of, you always have the details of the customer, okay, how much they owe you, how much they have paid, and then the remaining amount. Okay, so with this functionality called the customers in debt payment deposit SMS functionality, okay, when you click on choose, okay, and then you click to add payment. Okay, so over here our customer is owing us 98, so we want to make sure, so let's just say our customer decides to pay 50, okay, via cash, and then or let's say the customer pay via mobile money. I mean, whichever option, whether it was via cash, whether it was mobile money, whether it was a card, whether it was a bank deposit, you can use any of them. And then date and time. Okay, so let's say the payment was done today. You save as selected. Now you click to add deposit. Okay, so now once this is done, it says that payment deposit recorded. You can track the payment history for this transaction with the payment history link. Okay, so over here a message will be sent automatically to the customer that they have made a deposit of this amount of money, and then it also comes with a payment history link. Okay, so then the customer is able to have, so the history link will be important if, let's say, the customer makes different deposits. Okay, so let's say it took them about 3 days. Okay, they've made some subsequent payments, okay, in 3 subsequent days. Okay, with the payment history link, they're able to know that, okay, the first day I paid this amount, I was left with that amount. The second day I paid this amount, I was left with that amount. The third day I paid, okay, they're able to review all that. Okay, and that is what it means. And then also once, I mean, the client, okay, so now as you can see here, the client owes 48 CD. Okay, so once the client completes their payment, okay, once they've been able to make a full payment, okay, now a thank you, an SMS thank you message will be sent to your customer, thanking them for being able to for being able to make the payments that was due them. Okay, so yes, this is all for the customer in debt SMS payment deposit feature. Okay, it's an amazing feature. You don't even have to do it manually. You don't have to worry, okay, that your customers are being informed. This feature automatically informs your customers, okay, so that they don't come back to you fighting you that they might have made payment, okay, and then you didn't record it or something like that. This helps you to track all that. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of these amazing videos available for you, so do well to check our YouTube channel, check all our videos out. Yes, and then I'll see you again in our next video. Do have a wonderful time, and bye bye.